Fury VT1300CX. If you're standing in front of this motorcycle right now, you're not just looking at another bike in a showroom, you're witnessing a machine that has its own character, its own identity, and an unmistakable presence that captures attention instantly. And welcome to Future Cars, the channel where we explore vehicles that redefine style, design, and performance, bringing you in-depth looks at machines that are not just functional, but iconic. And today, we're diving into a motorcycle that exemplifies exactly what that means. A factory-built chopper that combines classic American chopper design with Honda's unmatched engineering. A motorcycle that doesn't just ride, it makes a statement wherever it goes. The first thing that immediately catches your eye when looking at the Honda Fury is its long, stretched front end, the extreme rake angle of the front fork, extending forward in a way that is both dramatic and elegant, giving the bike a silhouette that is instantly recognizable, unmistakably chopper, yet perfectly balanced and engineered to handle real-world riding conditions. This is not an exaggerated custom build. This is Honda taking the chopper concept and refining it to perfection in a factory model, creating a motorcycle that looks custom, but offers the reliability, comfort, and precision only a brand like Honda can provide. The fork itself isn't just for show. Its length, angle, and strength are carefully calculated, giving the rider a stable, smooth handling experience while maintaining that classic stretched look that defines the chopper genre. As your eyes move along the length of the bike, you begin to notice how every design element flows seamlessly into the next. The fuel tank sits narrow and elongated, following the line of the frame, giving the bike a sleek, stretched profile that perfectly balances the wide, planted rear tire. The low-slung seat hugs the frame, keeping the rider close to the ground, offering a riding posture that is relaxed, commanding, and perfectly aligned with the chopper ethos. The wide rear tire adds visual weight, anchoring the motorcycle and creating a sense of power and presence that contrasts beautifully with the slim front wheel, creating that long, flowing, aggressive silhouette that's impossible to ignore. At the heart of the Honda Fury sits the V-twin engine, a massive, chrome-finished powerhouse that dominates the central section of the bike and serves as the visual and mechanical centerpiece. Unlike many motorcycles that hide the engine behind panels or bodywork, the Fury proudly displays its V-twin, each cylinder, each polished surface gleaming under showroom lights, reflecting everything around it with incredible clarity. When someone stands next to the bike explaining its features, you can almost feel the narrative as they describe the torque, the smooth power delivery, and the deep, throaty sound that comes from this engine. A sound that perfectly matches the bike's bold, confident character. It's not a high-revving scream. It's a controlled, authoritative note that resonates with the identity of a true chopper. The exhaust pipes are long, low, and perfectly aligned along the side of the bike, chrome shining, reflecting showroom lights, creating a visual flow that accentuates the bike's stretched geometry. The sound when the engine is on is rich and commanding, and combined with the visual impact of the pipes, the Honda Fury feels like a complete package, visual, mechanical, and emotional. When the camera moves in for a low-angle shot along the silencer, the reflections add depth and cinematic appeal, emphasizing the design lines and flowing structure and giving the viewer a tangible sense of scale and presence. Approaching the front of the bike, the drama intensifies. The low, ground-level view makes the fork appear even longer, the stance even more aggressive, emphasizing the stretched nature of the motorcycle. The headlight sits perfectly centered, and when it illuminates, the entire bike seems alive, transforming from a static display into a machine ready to take command of the road. From this perspective, you appreciate how Honda has balanced dramatic styling with practical design, keeping handlebars at the ideal height for comfort without compromising the chopper aesthetic, ensuring that even though the bike looks intimidating, it remains approachable for a rider. Walking around the bike, observing every angle, you see how the Fury combines minimalism with boldness. There's no unnecessary clutter, no extra panels trying to distract you, every detail is intentional. The tank, the seat, the frame, the chrome engine, the exhaust, the forks, everything serves a purpose while maintaining aesthetic appeal. The handlebars rise slightly, maintaining that signature chopper profile without going overboard, giving the rider control while still emphasizing the long, stretched geometry. This balance between function and style is what makes the Honda Fury a factory chopper that truly stands apart from other motorcycles on the market. The wide rear tire doesn't just look strong. It provides stability and gives the motorcycle that planted, grounded feel. Paired with the long fork and slim front end, it creates a dynamic contrast that is essential to the chopper identity. From every angle, whether viewed from the side, rear, or low front, the proportions communicate power, balance, and sophistication. The low seat height ensures that riders of varying heights can sit comfortably while maintaining a commanding presence on the bike. The foot pegs and controls are positioned in harmony with the frame, creating a riding posture that is both relaxed and confident. As the camera moves around the motorcycle, highlighting details like the polished V-twin cylinders, the chrome exhaust reflecting showroom lights, the sculpted fuel tank, and the elongated frame, the Honda Fury continues to impress. The more time you spend observing it, the more you notice subtleties. The curvature of the tank, the precision of the welds, the way the frame stretches without appearing awkward, the visual harmony between the low rear and extended front. It's clear that this bike was designed with intention, with each element supporting the overall identity of a chopper while remaining entirely functional. Even when viewed in motion, the Honda Fury maintains its character. The long fork doesn't compromise handling. Instead, it adds to the visual drama as the bike leans slightly and turns. The exhaust flows along the body, the engine glimmers in sunlight, and the wide rear tire grips the asphalt with authority. The Honda Fury communicates confidence in every element, from its stance to its mechanics to the way it sounds when it accelerates. Every detail contributes to an emotional connection with the rider, a sense that you're not just on a motorcycle, but part of a piece of art engineered for real-world experience. In the showroom, as the headlight illuminates, the reflections off the chrome, the curves of the body, the stretched fork, and the sleek, narrow front wheel create a scene that is cinematic in every sense. This is why the Honda Fury is more than a bike. It's an experience, a statement, and a testament to what happens when a brand understands style, identity, and functionality at the same time. It's a motorcycle for someone who values presence, who wants to be seen, who appreciates a machine that is both classic in spirit and modern in execution. Future Cars celebrates machines like this because they remind us why we love vehicles in the first place. The design, the engineering, the emotion, the way a bike or car makes us feel. And the Honda Fury is a perfect example of this. It's not just a ride, it's a showpiece, a conversation starter, a factory-built chopper that delivers custom-level excitement without the need for modifications. It's a rare combination of form and function, presence and performance, simplicity and detail, and it leaves a lasting impression that few motorcycles can match. And as we continue to examine it from every angle, zooming in on the engine, following the lines of the frame, gliding along the exhaust pipes, exploring the handlebars and seating position, it becomes obvious that Honda has taken the essence of the classic American chopper, refined it with precision engineering, and delivered a motorcycle that is entirely unique yet entirely approachable, maintaining an identity that is both bold and timeless. It is this careful balance of aesthetics, mechanics, and experience that makes the Honda Fury VT1300CX one of the most compelling motorcycles available today. A machine that proves that design, presence, and emotion still matter in an age dominated by technology and speed. Whether you're a longtime motorcycle enthusiast or someone discovering choppers for the first time, the Honda Fury delivers something unforgettable. Every angle tells a story, every detail communicates intent, and every feature contributes to the overall character of the bike. From Future Cars, we celebrate this machine not just as a motorcycle, but as an icon of design, a symbol of style, and a testament to what happens when engineering meets imagination in perfect harmony.